Hello and welcome to my presentation on our Week 5 gallery discussion, Generating Electricity with a Lemon. So first we have our materials list, which includes 2 pennies, water, drops of dishwashing soap, paper towels, aluminum foil at least 9 by 60 centimeters, scissors, ruler, 1 lemon, a plate, a knife, and 2 paper clips with plastic covering. So for the setup, you want to first wash the pennies and prepare the aluminum foil by the dimensions given. In second step, you want to cut the lemon by dimensions given and place a clean penny in the first slot, and then additionally place another clean penny in the third slot. For step 3, you want to slide the aluminum foil in one cut and into the other. The first 2 will be separated, the second will be attached, and connect them using a paper clip. So first we want to go over what electrochemical principles are happening here. The lemon battery is a good example of an electrochemical cell, which converts chemical energy into electricity. This electricity results from the flow of electrons from the aluminum foil, or the negative terminal, towards the copper penny, or the positive terminal. Electrons prefer to flow in this direction because copper attracts electrons more strongly than the aluminum. However, these electrons can't escape the aluminum on their own. This is why you don't get electricity when you simply touch aluminum foil to a penny. Here's where the lemon comes into play. Citric acid inside the juice of the lemon reacts with the aluminum foil, freeing up electrons in the foil. Now these electrons can easily flow across the wire towards the copper, creating the electrical current that shows up on a multimeter or when you touch it with your fingers. That's why you get that slight tingle. So now we'll discuss the reducing agent and the oxidizing agent. In a lemon battery, both oxidation and reduction reactions occur. Oxidation is a reaction that produces electrons, while reduction is a reaction that uses up those electrons. Copper is known as the reducing agent in this electrochemical process. 2 positively charged hydrogen ions from the electrolyte combine with 2 electrons at the copper electrode's surface and form an uncharged hydrogen molecule, as seen in this chemical equation. This reaction is called reduction. Aluminum is the oxidizing agent. The electrode where oxidation takes place is negative and is called the anode. It is at the site of the electron production. Now I have pictures of my actual lemon battery that I did. So for the first setup, I just followed the setup steps, placing 2 clean pennies in the first and third slots and connecting them with the aluminum foil via the paper clip with the plastic covering. They are yellow, so it might be a little bit hard to see, but hopefully in this third picture you can. I did cut a little bit too far down into the one slice, but it still worked. When I touched it, there was definitely an electrochemical principle or process happening. I don't think that I would have been able to charge anything with this, but it is a really cool concept, and hopefully I covered all of the points, and I look forward to seeing if anyone replies, and I look forward to reading and watching everyone else's presentation. I also have references for all of the pictures and material that I used. Thank you so much.